Hello everyone. Namaskar. I am Ityani Sharkar. Now I discuss about Microsoft Excel and how to calculate the time value of money using Microsoft Excel. We know that Microsoft Excel is most attractive way to calculate financial problem. Before starting the calculation of the time value of money, we may know that what is time value of money. Time value of money is the concept that a sum of money is worth more than the same sum will be at future date. So for calculating the time value of money, share the screen and open the Microsoft Excel. Opening the spreadsheet, here the PV is 10,000, red is 6%, year is 5. So if equal what? Now we will calculate the future value. So write the equal sign, then FB. Write the starting bracket, then we show that the formula at first rate. So rate is 6%, select the rate, then NPER, here NPER is 5. So select this, then PMT, here PMT is not here, so we can write 0, then PV. PV is under bracket, so we write this with minus sign, so minus and select the PV. Then type equal 0. So close the bracket and press enter. We get the answer 13,382.26. Then I calculate the present value. Here the future value is 13,382.26 and rate is 6%, year is 5%. Present value is what? So for calculating the present value, write the equal sign, then write PV, starting bracket, then rate is 6%, select, and NPR, select the year, then select PMT is not here, so write 0, then FV minus, select the amount of FV, comma, type 0, close the bracket and press enter. We get the present value 10,000. Then present value of annuity calculating, PMT equal 1,000, rate 6%, year 10. Present value of annuity is what? So to calculating the present value of annuity, write equal PV starting bracket, then select the rate, then NPER, select the year, then select the PMT, then FV, here FV is not here, so write 0, type equal 0 and close the bracket and press enter. We get our answer 7360.09. Then we calculate the future value of annuity. Here PMT equal 1000, rate equal 6%, year equal 10. So future value of annuity equal what? To calculate the future value of annuity, write the equal sign if V, starting bracket, then rate, select the rate, comma, in PER, select the year, then PMT is 1000, so select the PMT, then PV is not here, so type 0 and press enter key, and we get our answer. Future value of annuity equal 13,180.79. Then we calculate the year. Here the PV is equal 80,000 and if V is equal 2 lakh and rate is 8%, year is equal what? So to calculate the year, write the equal sign in PER, starting bracket, then select the rate, then PMT is not here, so write 0, then select the PV, then select the minus FV, then type equal 0. Press enter key, we get the answer 11.90. Then we calculate the rate. Here PV is equal 80,000 and FV is equal 2 lakh, ER is equal 11.9. So we have to calculate the rate. So to calculate the rate, write the equal sign rate, starting bracket, then NPER, select the year, then PMT is not here, so write 0, then PV, select the PV, then minus, select the FV, then type 0, case 0, then close the bracket and press enter. We get our answer 8%. So thus we calculate the time value of money using Microsoft Excel. Thank you.